The 48 Laws of Power by Robert Greene is a very controversial self-improvement book. Some say it is a very powerful book, while others say it is the work of the devil. These laws are used by people in positions of power or those striving for power. Comment below your opinion on the 48 Laws of Power. Hit the like button if you heard of this book or know of it. Today, we will go over the laws of power you can use to improve and build strong relationships with others. Law number 4. Always say less than necessary. As humans, we love to talk more than necessary. Sometimes, that will backfire as people can take your words out of context. We are responsible for not only what we say, but also how people perceive it. When you talk too much, there's an increased chance of saying something foolish. Think of how charismatic people communicate. They say just the right amount and they draw people to them naturally. They speak open-ended so people can connect with them. They are powerful, mysterious, and in control. Also, when you say less than necessary, you will learn how to be a good listener. When you are a good listener, you can connect with people more, which will help you build strong relationships. People love to talk, and by showing genuine interest, people will love speaking with you. Law number 9. Win through your actions, not through argument. When you need to convince someone to do something, what do you think will be more effective? Leading by action or by talking? There are a lot of people that talk a lot, but never seem to get anything done. Why should anyone listen to them? Actions speak louder than words. You can't argue against hard work and results. For example, in sports, if a teammate is struggling, instead of telling them how they are hurting the team, other players and the staff will lead the way and show them how to improve while supporting them all the way. Law number 10. Infection. Avoid the unhappy and unlucky. Emotions are as infectious as diseases. You might be helping out a friend who is unhappy by hearing them out. Try to limit these interactions. If they don't reform and they still have their issues, lead them to a professional. Hanging around them too much will bring your mood down. Instead, spend your time with people who are happy and fortunate. They will lift your mood and push you to be better. Law number 13. Asking for help appeals to people's self-interest. When asking for help, you need to talk about what they want and how they will get it. Try not to talk about what you want. Of course you are interested in what you want and what you could gain out of their help, but no one else is. You need to show them what they stand to gain by helping you. Think from their perspective. When you do that, they will be more than happy to help, and if it is a mentor-mentee relationship, they will be rooting for your success. Law number 16. Use absence to increase respect and honor. Most of us are familiar with the law of supply and demand. The greater the supply, the less the demand, and vice versa. This also applies to our time. The less time you have available, the more it will be in demand. This law is great for relationships with significant others or dates, because you will seem more interesting and meeting up will be a rare opportunity. By having goals or plans you are working on and not bending to their needs, you will appear more attractive. This law is also great for dealing with those pushy friends that don't leave you alone. You probably see them every day, and seeing each other isn't special. You are being taken for granted, and by retreating a little, they will have time to look forward to seeing you again. Law number 18. Isolation is dangerous. There are some relationships in life that we need to cut out. The more isolated you are, the easier it is to be deceived. When someone is urging you to cut out friends and family in your life, realize they are trying to take control of you. Whether they realize it or not, it is malicious. Cut this relationship ASAP before you cause psychological harm to yourself by pushing others away. If you currently feel isolated, reach out to someone you know. Law number 25. Recreate yourself. Others will call you what they think you are or what they think they see in you. Everyone, from your family, friends, society, and even the government, expects you to be someone or something else. You have the ability to choose who you want to be, and you can change whenever. By being yourself, instead of conforming to people's opinions of you, you will collect massive respect. When you care more about staying true to your character than what people think of you, you will seem more charismatic. Law number 28. Enter action with boldness. When you don't hesitate, people will know you are not playing around. People will think your moves have a high success rate. You will appear more confident. To be fearless, you need courage. When you go into any interaction, be it asking out a date or meeting new people, you need to be bold. Entering with hesitation will lead to failure. Law number 38. Think as you like, but behave like others. Feeling and showing superiority breeds hate. You want to fit in, otherwise you will stir up people's envy. They will try to slander your reputation. Why do you think subjects such as politics, money, and sex are taboo in some conversations? Because in the end, someone will come out as the superior one in the group. No one wants to feel inferior. Our egos are one of the things we protect at all costs. Learn to redirect the conversation to save people's egos. They will love you for it. Law number 40. Despise the free lunch. Cheap misers miss out on opportunities. It pays to be generous. Say you meet someone successful and you want their advice. You're not going to be the only one that wants their advice. Many others have probably been in your situation. So how can you stand out? You should offer to buy them coffee or lunch. You get to sit down with them for 10 to 30 minutes and hear their advice. You can learn from their mistakes. Don't sweat about how much the total cost will be. Think of the upside. You can reduce the learning curve by a few months or even years. Law number 43. Work on the heart and mind of others. An old African proverb states, "To go fast, go alone. To go far, go together." It is beneficial to be recognized for your kindness and helpful demeanor. Learn to be agreeable. People may bond over shared demographics, but they bond better over shared values. When you have the support of others, you can solve more problems together while helping each other out. Building trust and bonds take time, but it will get you further in life than going solo as a lone wolf. As you can see, these uses are not evil or manipulative. Thanks for watching. If you want more videos on the 48 Laws of Power or more videos on building relationships, smash the subscribe button.